Hello Jamf admins. Today I'm going to go over the Jamf Status Tool. Now this tool was created quite a while ago, I think back in 2017 by Leslie Halo, who's created a lot of cool tools for this community. He's been at Jamf for a very long time. He was back at Jamf when I was there in 2015. He was also the first jumpstart I shadowed back in the day. So let's take a look at what this tool does. So once you download it, you have this Jamf Status application. And once you open it, it just opens up in the tray here. And it's pretty simple how this works. As long as it looks like this right now, that means that everything's good with all the Jamf servers and there are no outages. If you go to About, you can kind of see the different types of statuses you'll get depending on the type of outage. And really the last thing to show about this tool is the ability to put in one of your servers here. So you can input a server, and what it will do is it will give you alerts for that server. So it's just another place to show your alerts. It'll also, if you go to View Status Page, it'll open up the status page showing you all the different information about an outage, if there is any, and previous outages. Now this is the same thing as if you just opened a website and went to status.jamf.com. It's the same web page. You can also subscribe for updates here, which is what I do, in order to get updates for all the different Jamf servers. So is this tool useful? Well, personally for me, because I'm using multiple servers as an MSP, the server function doesn't really help us much at all. And also just the way I use macOS, I actually had to close a bunch of stuff in my tray in order to see this because it was showing up over to the left-hand side. Obviously, you can move stuff around in your tray, but I have a lot in my tray, so this is a tool that I don't find particularly helpful for me. But for you, it might be good just to see if something's online or not. I've also noticed that like most web pages, you often see the outage before it's even reported on the status page. So a lot of times we're the ones reporting those outages to Jamf support before they come up on the status page. But regardless, a really useful, nifty tool, does some simple things, but pretty cool to just have in your tray.